Now this is a bonus clip, and let me tell you a secret of how to manipulate profits. And yeah, you can inflate them, you can deflate them with the help of closing stock. I'll tell you why closing stock is so important. Suppose Tally has auto calculated this closing stock, right? Enter it. Now what if the rate of this right here is higher, that is, suppose it is 7,000 instead of 6,925. Hence the value that comes out of closing stock will also be higher. Hence the total value will be higher. Hence it will affect our which account? It will affect our closing stock. Suppose the closing stock right here is 10 lakhs. Now this side will increase more to balance this side. Suppose it is 10 lakhs. Hence this side is more from 1,20,000 approx, and hence the profit will be increased by 1,20,000 just to balance it. Okay, so this is how every company does it, because like if you are a company known as Apple, so Apple builds its iPhone, and Apple has valuated its coming iPhone, that is, suppose let's take iPhone 6. Apple has valued iPhone 6 at the, it has old stock of Apple iPhone 6, and Apple has come to a conclusion by a meeting that the value of Apple iPhone 6 is not 40,000 rupees, it's now 80,000 rupees. And how did it arrive at those figures? They will simply answer market research. Hence, as soon as they enter 80,000 rupees of that Apple iPhone, the closing stock will double, which will further affect the gross profit, meaning that gross profit will also double, meaning that net profit will also double. Now, I'll show you one thing how to do it. Press escape, shut company, select company, and let's go to Mars Incorporation Venus. Password is Facebook. We have created this company, right, in our second assignment, and open this profit and loss account right here. So the gross profit right here is 37,500 and closing stock is 1 lakh. Now I have only gross profit of 37,500, and which figure can I change in this account that will affect the gross profit? As opening stock cannot be changed, because why? Because these are the signed balance sheet and they are authorized by the signatories, hence there cannot be any change in the previous year balance sheet, that is the opening stock. Purchase accounts cannot be changed, that is, either you can make fake invoices, but yeah, government will track you somewhere. Sales account cannot be changed because you cannot make fake invoices and government will track you with lots of regulations. But closing stock right here, closing stock can be easily manipulated with the estimate. Suppose, and the term right here used is estimate. I'll show you in just a second. You just remember this term. Estimate, or we open the closing stock of Mars Incorporation Venus, and yeah, now 5 pieces are in the quantity. Rate is 20,000 of each piece, hence 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the closing stock, which in turn makes the gross profit 37,500. Now, what if due to a short supply in the market and due to some uncertain conditions, the demand of our computer that we make has increased and we have increased the rate to rupees 21,000. Hence, this will also increase by 5,000, which will then further increase our profit by 5,000. Okay, and this figure is calculated by most of the companies on the basis of estimate, and the most appropriate term used for this estimate is the market research. Now let me show you how you can do it in Tally. In books of account, you can just change this figure right here. That is, in Excel or in handmade books, you can change this figure right here. If you increase 5,000, this will also increase 5,000 to balance it, and then this will also increase 5,000, and then net profit will also increase 5,000. Now let's check out how we can do it in Tally, because Tally has automated figures. That is, it will not let you change the rate figure right here, but there is a way you can do it. Go to ALC, that is creating a ledger. We'll create a ledger called as closing stock. Direct expenses, nope. Click on stock in hand, enter, and there is no opening balance. Yes, escape it and go back to profit and loss account again. Go to closing stock, and then where are you? Yeah, so I know that you have to press F11 features right here, that is, hit F11, and then on this part you can choose no. Let me show you right here, that is, this column should be yes, and as soon as we choose it no, it will stop taking automatic value of, that is, automatic rate of inventory and automatic value of closing stock, where we can put our own closing stock. Let's try it. Click on no, Control A to save, escape it. Yeah, now go back to profit and loss account. Here again you can navigate profit and loss account. As soon as you hit enter, you can witness that 1 lakh is gone because we have not defined any closing stock value. Now let's define some closing stock value. Go to closing stock, enter. As soon as you hit enter, you will see a screen right here which will say this 0 is our opening balance. Closing balance as on 31/3/2020. Enter, and let's enter 1 lakh first. 1 lakh, debit, accept. Going back, why is it not incorporated 1 lakh? Wait just a second, accept. Okay, let's escape and then let's load it again. Profit and loss. Oops, where is 1 lakh? 0. Okay, let's enter 0 here. 31/3/20, and yeah. Okay, so I know what the issue. This date right here is not changed, hence this should be from 1/4/19 to 31/3/20. Let's change the date by F2, Alt F2, 1/4/19, 31/3/20. Now this right here is the gross profit of the default gross profit when we valued our computers at the rate of 20,000, that is 5 into 20,000, 1 lakh. Now suppose we want to increase our gross profit because this amount is too low. How can we do it? We will increase the closing stock. First let's change the period here. Okay, this is already changed. Go to closing stock again, enter, and yeah, suppose we have valued the value of the computer as 30,000 because of the market demand. Hence 5 into 30,000, that is 1,50,000. enter till the time you say accept, then escape, and then change the period right here because it is not showing the default period. Alt F2, 1/4/1931 320, and yeah, magic, this has increased 1,50,000, and profit was 37,500 before. Now it is plus 50,000, that is 87,500. So this is a way where you can manipulate your profits easily and inflate your profits, and profits are the core reason that a business exists, and closing stock is the heart of any balance sheet or any profit and loss account. Almost, believe me, almost 99% people have wrong closing stock values. That is on the base of on their estimation on the market research. Now suppose you don't want to pay your taxes in this year and you don't want to show any profit. What will you do now? Let's try to change that value to 50,000 because we have assumed that as per our demand, as per low demand of the computers, the value of the computers is only 10,000. Escape, change the period. Okay, period is already that only. Yeah, you can see right here as this side is now more and this side is now less. So to balance this side, gross loss right here 12,500, which has further turned into a net loss of 15,200. Hence no tax. Hence no tax need to be paid. This is what most of the companies do. Yeah, they do this. And suppose if you are a public limited company and if you want your share price to increase, but you know that is not true, how will you do it? Let's increase the profit to 2 lakh, closing stock to 2 lakh, and yeah, let's see the magic. The gross profit is 1,37,500 and the net profit is very good, that is 1,34,800. Hence more and more people will think that you have a great net profit and your company is really doing good. By the way, this is only the effect of closing stock. That is why every government authority, every government law has policies on how to value closing stock, but companies have still a way to escape it, and this is how you can manipulate your profit. Okay, so see you in the next lecture, and I'll just change this feature again, that is inventory feature. Nope. Accounting feature, yes. Control A. Hence it will come back to the original profit back again, and I'll delete that ledger. OLD, oops, alter closing stock, Alt D. Yes. So you can see what is the power of the closing stock, and closing stock is widely used as a tool of manipulation, and almost 99% of the companies do it. Okay, let's see you in the next lecture where we'll learn about what a profit and loss account is and what are the various figures of profit and loss account.